Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18, welcome back to my channel. We have an update of our SB19 Born the Flame Honor of Kings from November 10 to November 12 in iTunes. November 10, yes, iTunes worldwide number 39 ang ating Born of Flame of SB19. And then on November 12, grabe number 59, bumaba siya from 39 to 59 in iTunes worldwide. But in the same day, naging number 27 ang Born the Flame of SB19 Honor of Kings sa iTunes worldwide number 27. Congratulations boys!